What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another install video. As you guys can see, something's missing from behind me on my Supra. That is right, I am getting a new spoiler for this. So if you guys want to see what it is, stay tuned.
Supra.
So if you guys are wondering what it is, there it is. This is a TRD style spoiler. I had to paint it. The paint matched my car, which is not a Renaissance Red exact, so I had to get them to do a custom paint. So yeah, it's gonna go on a car. It's gonna look amazing. I think it's gonna make the car look more aggressive. It's gonna fill in the curve in the back more, so can't wait to put it on. So let's go. Here's a car without the spoiler. Looks kind of naked, in my opinion. The Supra definitely needs something behind here. So as you can see, went ahead and removed the spoiler. Open the trunk. It's basically it's a very simple thing to do. Is these panels you just pry open, and then there's one bolt right here, and there's another bolt down here. There's one bolt right here, another bolt right here. Same thing for this side to remove the spoiler. So if you guys want to see, so one bolt, two bolts, and then there's this little clip where the stock spoiler has like a little pin that goes underneath there. So you just pop that out because you don't really need that when I put the new spoilers in. So just on the side. Look. All right, here's how it looks with the new spoiler on. Alright, it's a little cold, so thanks for watching. This is pretty much the video. Hope you guys like the new spoiler on the car. There's going to be a lot more stuff going to be happening for 2020. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out my Instagram right here if you guys want to check out all the updates I do for the car before I release it on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, talk to you guys later. Peace.